Sister Wives, Kody and Robyn Brown, their biggest cons ranked. Keep watching for more details. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sister Wives, stars Kody and Robyn Brown have tried to pull the wool over the eyes of family members and viewers for years. Here are 3 of their biggest cons. Kody and Robyn Brown have long been the most controversial figures in the Sister Wives universe. As the show's drama intensified, fans watched in disbelief as what once seemed like a united, plural family crumbled, thanks in no small part to manipulative moves from Kody and Robyn. Whether you are a day one fan or a recent binge watcher, these are the biggest cons pulled by Kody and Robyn. 3. Robyn Brown conned the Browns with her last wife. Narrative. Robyn Brown entered the Brown family in 2010 as Kody's 4th wife. From the start, the show marketed her as a sweet, spiritual woman who wanted to embrace plural marriage. Fans began calling out her behavior as a victim, as she subtly shifted family dynamics in her favor. Her infamous claim of wanting to be the last wife raised serious eyebrows. While it seemed like a romantic statement at first, it contradicted the very foundation of plural marriage. This made it clear Robyn's entrance wasn't about joining a family, it was about taking center stage. She wanted to join an established, secure family, for herself and her children. By pushing this narrative, Robyn not only cemented her place as Kody's clear favorite but also isolated the other wives, as she was younger and able to give Kody more children. Her strategic tears and passive-aggressive comments have since been dubbed by fans some longtime viewers as emotional manipulation. Robyn later claimed she wanted too much from her sister wives and was traumatized by the family falling apart during season 19. I feel like I've been gaslit by some of the family members. 2. The family money funnel. One of the most criticized aspects of Kody and Robyn Brown's dynamic is the way family finances were handled, especially after the infamous Las Vegas to Flagstaff move. The idea was sold to fans as a spiritual decision but quickly unraveled into a logistical and financial nightmare. While the Brown family struggled to maintain 4 separate households, viewers noticed Robyn's home stood out. It was larger, newer, and notably more expensive. Kody prioritized Robyn's mortgage, even as Janelle and Christine voiced concerns about their housing security. Fans have accused the couple of funneling shared funds into Robyn's lifestyle while neglecting the financial well-being of the other wives. Robyn's online boutique, My Sister Wife's Closet, which was supposed to be a family business venture, essentially flopped. Despite receiving investment from the collective family purse, it was a huge money pit for the Browns. The strategic mismanagement of money not only hurt the wives financially but sowed deeper divisions among the Browns. Fans and commentators have pointed out that Kody's favoritism has financial receipts. Most recently, Robyn was accused of spending tens of thousands of dollars on expensive dolls and clothing. The family reportedly shared expenses during that time, so she's been accused of funneling money from the family fund to fuel an alleged shopping addiction. 1. Kody and Robyn Brown's polygamy exit plan. Perhaps the most damning con of all is the couple's slow burn exit from polygamy altogether. This exit occurred while Kody and Robyn Brown continued to reap the benefits of being the face of a plural family on national television. Despite Robyn's constant claims of loving plural marriage and Kody's earlier spiritual convictions, the past few seasons have painted a very different picture. With Meri, Christine, and Janelle gone, it's now just Kody and Robyn left in a monogamous marriage. Many viewers now believe Robyn never intended to live a plural lifestyle. From her reluctance to share time with the other wives to her children receiving what seemed like preferential treatment, it's become clear to fans that this was a long game toward becoming Kody's one and only. And Kody, he seems to have conveniently abandoned his principles when the going got tough. Perhaps the most damning con of all is the couple's slow burn exit from polygamy altogether. This exit occurred while Kody and Robyn Brown continued to reap the benefits of being the face of a plural family on national television. Despite Robyn's constant claims of loving plural marriage and Kody's earlier spiritual convictions, the past few seasons have painted a very different picture. With Meri, Christine, and Janelle gone, It's now just Cody and Robin left in a monogamous marriage. Many viewers now believe Robin never intended to live a plural lifestyle. From her reluctance to share time with the other wives to her children receiving what seemed like preferential treatment, it's become clear to fans that this was a long game toward becoming Cody's one and only. And Cody, he seems to have conveniently abandoned his principles when the going got tough. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.